I welcome you all in this session. Myself, Artita Laulikar, Assistant Professor from PESS RSN College of Arts and Science, Ponda, Goa. Program Bachelor of Science, second year. Subject Botany, Semester 4. Course code BOS 102. Course title Herbal Technology. Title of the unit Conservation of Medicinal Plants. Module name TKDL, that is Traditional Knowledge of Digital Library. In this module, you will be learning about traditional knowledge of medicines, protection of traditional knowledge, Indian initiatives to protect traditional knowledge, that is TKDL. By the completion of this module, you will be able to describe traditional knowledge of medicines and its protection and explain traditional knowledge digital library, that is TKDL. Traditional knowledge of medicines. Traditional knowledge refers to the knowledge, innovations and practices of indigenous and local communities around the world. These communities are specialists in the art of traditional folk medicines. The knowledge and uses of specific plants for medicinal purposes is an important component of traditional knowledge. Traditional medicines are a major source of materials and information for the development of new drugs. This knowledge has provided leads for development of biologically active molecules. Protection of traditional knowledge. Traditional knowledge has been an easily accessible treasure and thus been susceptible to misappropriation. The stealing of biomedical knowledge from traditional and indigenous communities or individuals is called biopiracy. Traditional Knowledge Digital Library, TKDL. India is a vast repository of traditional knowledge associated with biological resources. There is renewed interest in the traditional medicine system, which includes the Ayurveda, Yoga, Unani, Siddha and Homeopathy systems, that is Ayush. Indian traditional medicinal knowledge exists in local languages such as Sanskrit, Urdu, Arabic, Persian and Tamil. And the published Indian traditional knowledge literature is neither accessible nor understood by patent examiners. There exists a language and format barrier due to which patents are being taken on the existing traditional knowledge of India. In 2000, it was estimated that about 2000 wrong patents concerning Indian systems of medicine were being granted every year at international level. A few examples of biopiracy of traditional knowledge of India are patent on wound healing properties. I repeat, a few examples of biopiracy of traditional knowledge of India are patent on wound healing properties of turmeric at the United States Patent Office, antifungal properties of neem at European Union Patent Office. So, to overcome the problem of granting wrong patents on Indian traditional knowledge, Traditional Knowledge Digital Library, that is TKDL, was initiated. Traditional Knowledge Digital Library. The project TKDL was initiated in the year 2001. It provides platform for documentation and disclosure of Indian traditional knowledge. TKDL is a collaborative project between Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, that is CSIR, Ministry of Science and Technology, Department of Ayush, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. TKDL involves documentation of the traditional knowledge available in public domain in the form of existing literature related to Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha and Yoga. The documentation is in digitized format in 5 international languages, which are English, German, French, Japanese and Spanish. Examiners of Patent Office can utilize TKDL for search and examination purpose only. TKDL access agreement is unique in nature and has inbuilt safeguards on non-disclosure to protect India's interest against any possible misuse. TKDL is proving to be an effective deterrent against biopiracy and has been recognized internationally as a unique effort. It contains the scanned images of medicinal formulations from the original books. The full database has been made available to all the IPR, that is Intellectual Property Rights offices worldwide to prevent biopiracy. TKDL has become a model for other countries on defensive protection of their traditional knowledge from misappropriation. Conclusion: TKDL acts as a bridge between the traditional knowledge information existing in local languages and the patent examiners. Patent examiners can easily check this database and reject any patent application that might be a copy of traditional knowledge, thus preventing cases of biopiracy. References: Thank you.